I'm Phil, and this is the UNE Discovery Voyager Online. Did you notice it's getting colder? This morning there's even some snow where I was. Well, what causes winter? Well, it's all related to the Winter Solstice. Hang on, what is the Winter Solstice and when does it occur? Well, Mother Earth and its orientation to the sun causes the solstice and the equinoxes. Well, the winter solstice gives us the shortest day, and it's going to happen on June the 21st. The summer solstice gives us the longest day, and that's usually December the 21st. And the equinox is when we have equal day and equal night. Well, it's to do with the Earth axis, which as it rotates around the sun, the Earth axis is from the South Pole to the North Pole, the line there. And we rotate around that axis. And that axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees to up there when we're going around the sun this way. So when we have the winter solstice, the South Pole is pointing away from the sun. So the sun rays are coming in from this way. And as we're rotating around, we spend most of our time in the dark at night. So we get a small amount of daylight. So that's when we have our shortest day. Now, in the summertime, the South Pole is orientated towards the sun. So the sun rays coming in. So we spend a lot of our time in the sun enjoying that. And the equinox is when the sunlight's coming in and we're orientated so that it's coming in, and essentially the sun is pointed at the equator, and that's why it's called the equator. It's to do with equal daylight and equal night, and the equinox is as well. The other thing is, in the wintertime, not only do we get less sun, but the angle is a lot shallower, so we get less heat. But in the summertime, the angle onto us is much better, so we actually get more sun, but we also get more direct sun, so therefore we get a higher temperature. So the seasons are related to the orientation of the Earth relative to the sun during its orbit as it rotates around over the year. Well, we hope you enjoy and celebrate the upcoming solstice. Bye!